Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious cup of hot chocolate. Perfect for those cold winter nights when you want to snuggle up and chill with your bae. So make sure that you stick around. You do not want to miss this. To make this, you're going to need granulated sugar, semi-sweet chocolate chips, or you can use your favorite chocolate, unsweetened cocoa powder, pure vanilla extract, marshmallows, and whole milk. To start, you want to add a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips into your pot. To this, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, but if you like your hot chocolate really sweet, you can add a little more. And this is what it looks like in the pot right now. So you want to mix everything up. So I'm going to make this on my countertop here. I have my little hot plate and I'm going to hook it up. So as you can see, I'm adding in 2 cups of milk. And to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Use a whisk to mix everything up and make sure that there are no lumps in your hot chocolate. Heat this up on high heat. And just before it begins to boil is when you want to turn it off and remove it from the heat. So as you can see here, I'm using my rubber spatula just to make sure that there is no chocolate sticking to the bottom of the pot. And this took only about 3 minutes or so to heat up. So now I'm gonna add this to a cup. And like I said, you guys, this was just so easy. You can top this off with some marshmallows, or you can use some whipped cream. So I made this hot chocolate for me and my honey bunny, and we are going to enjoy our evening. This is the perfect drink for like a nice cold winter night when you want to snuggle up and chill. Give it a try. Come back and let me know what you think, and I will catch you in my next video.